Hello everyone and welcome to TrackBit. In this video, we're gonna understand external and what purpose does external serve in ReasonML. Well, in most of the ReasonML ecosystem, you will observe that majority of projects that will be using the libraries will be using would be existing in JavaScript. So what external feature allows us is to make calls to foreign languages, and since with BuckleScript JavaScript is the compilation target, most of the foreign functions we'll be calling would be lying in the JavaScript code base. So let us look at how we structure the external feature. The first thing that we mention is the path of the file where the external, the foreign function lies. And then we mention the external keyword, followed by mentioning what local name are we assigning to that function, and then mentioning the type of that function. Function type here can include the argument types and the return type of the function. And then after this, we mention the exact name of the foreign function that is mentioned in that file. To have a better understanding of this feature, let's dive into a real demo and see how it exactly works. So if you look at this project, it has an add.js file which comprises of a function sum which returns basically a sum of two integers. So now let's try calling that particular function in the demo.re code base. So the first thing that we need to mention is the path of the file. For that, we do ps.module, then the path of the file, which is add in this case. Then mention the external keyword. Now, what local name would we like to give it here in the demo.re? Let's call it add. After this, we mention the type of the function that comprises of the arguments that have been passed, which is integer and another integer, and then the return type, which is also an integer. Followed by this, we mention the exact name of the foreign function. So if you look at this, it's called sum. So let's mention sum here. Now this function is pretty much ready to be called. So let's see if we are able to call this function. Now let's try to run this function in the terminal. Now we have been able to call a JavaScript function from our ReasonML code base.